database management system, there is a topic performing operations on table, and in this topic we have a subtopic relational or a relationship in a table. What is relationship? What is relationship in a table? If we discuss about relationship, that means you know that a database stores multiple tables linked to a common context. Example, the tables related to a result preparation system like student details, marks details, grade details, etc. are stored together in the same database as tables of a database related to some context. They somehow stores or linked data. To use the linked data in a multiple tables, we need to create a relationship among tables in a database. Relationship in a table, in a database, relationship are defined linked associate two tables through a common field. Two tables, okay, with a common field. Okay, what the common field? For example, if a school database like there are two tables like student and math grade, and in this table there are 5 columns in student and 2 columns in maths grade, like roll number, name, class and date of birth are the columns of the student table, and math grade table roll number and grade are the column of the math grade. The student tables holds student details, the math grade table holds information about the student performing in maths exam. Notice that both the above tables have a common field roll number. Now, by linking the student roll number field with the roll number field of math grade table, you can list the complete information of a student details from the student table and grade table from the math grade table. Okay, these are the this is the example of relationship. Move forward. Types of relationship: one to one, one to many, and many to one. Let me first discuss about one to one relationship. In one to one relationship, each record in a table A can have only one matching record in table B, and each record in table B can have only one matching record in table A. We have a two figure. Yes, figure 1 to one relationship, like here table project ID, project name, roll number, name, class and date of birth, and another table is a figure 2 employee and sources ID. Through ID we connect one to one. Okay, very important, only one matching record in table B. Suppose there are two tables, table A or table B, and if there is a one column is same both of the table, is known as a one to one relationship. Move forward. One to many. One to many relationship is the most common type of relationship. In one to one relationship, a record in a table A can have multiple matching record in table B. Multiple matching record. Okay, and yes, but a record table B has only one matching record in table B. For example, consider table teacher and student. Teacher and student, teacher and student which have one to many relationship, where one teacher, class teacher, teaches many students, but many students have only one teacher. So that a student tables have one to many relationship, while from students table point of view, student and teacher table have many to many relationship. Okay, one thing is very important, in a many to one relationship, the one side table is called the parent tables and the many side table is called the child table. This one is a one and this one is a, yes, this one is a one and this one is a many, parent table and child table. Move forward to the many to many. In many to many relationship, a record in a table A can have multiple matches record in table B, and a record in table B can have multiple matches record in table A. This type of relationship is only possible for defining a third table called a junction table, whose primary key consider of two fields the foreign keys and both tables A and B. A many-to-many relationship is actually two one-to-one many relationship with third table. Like in this example, table, teaching subject, or teacher subject junction and subject, these are the three tables which showing the many to many relationship. Thank you.